Here we are in section 2.4, finding the multiplicative inverses or reciprocal of each number for number 14. Reciprocal or multiplicative inverse, we just flip it over. So we're at 5 over 3. There we go. That's it. This one, oh, we have to turn it into an improper fraction before we can flip it. So this is 27 ninths and 4 ninths. That's 31 ninths. Now that needs to be flipped up. 9 31sts. Negative 5 twelfths, negative 12 fifths. And this is 7. 7 over 1 gets flipped to 1 seventh. There we go. Number 18. 2 sevenths divided by 5 thirds. That's timesing by 3 fifths. And that's going to be 6 over 35. Can it reduce at all? I don't think so. 2 times 3 is here and 7 times 5. Yeah, there's nothing that can reduce over there. Here we have 3/4 times 7/6 equals. Now we're going to see, since multiplication just does the times on top and times on bottom, is there anything up here that can reduce with anything here? And yeah, we could divide by 3 and divide by 3. So we get 1 times 7 is 7, 4 times 2 is 8. Now if you would have timesed it out, 3 times 7, you would have gotten 21 over 24. Then you could have divided by 3 and divide by 3. And that's what happened here, is we divided each by 3 ahead of time. All right, 1/6 divided by 4 ninths, that's 1/6 times 9 fourths equals, and again, instead of, we could do 9 24ths and then simplify, or we can say, hey, we're going to have a 3 out of this guy and a 3 out of that guy. So if you divide by 3, you get 2, you divide by 3, you get that, and that's what we would have simplified the end one by. So we now have 3/8. There we go. Number 21. 2 and 2/3. If we're going to be multiplying or dividing, we need to turn it into an improper fraction. So this is 3 times 2 is 6, plus 2 is 8 thirds, or you can think of it as 6 thirds plus 2 thirds, times, flip that over onto its reciprocal, like that. And is there anything that we can combine, or simplify? 8, nope. So we just get 80 over 9. And you can just leave it like that, or if you'd like to, 9 goes into that 8 times, right? Let's do that. 9 goes into that 8 times, 72, and we're left with 8. So 8 and 8 ninths. If you'd like, either one of those answers is okay. 5/8 divided by 2 times 4 is 8, plus 1 is 9. That's 9 halves. And so that's 5/8 times 2 ninths. Is there anything that might be able to simplify? The 5 can't go into the 8 or the 9. Ah, the 2. We can divide by 2 and divide by 2. So we get 5/36. And the last one, number 23. Negative 2 and 3/7. So that's 14 sevenths plus 3. That's 17 sevenths negative times, that flipped on its head, 7 fifths. Okay. Is there anything that we can simplify there? Yeah, if we're taking and timesing this here, 17 times 7 has a 7 in it. 7 times 5 has a 7 in it, so divide by 7, divide by 7. And that will allow us to simplify, and we get the negative, because negative times positive will be a negative, 17 over 5. And there we have it. Good.